Time to go study.
Valerie, and I'm at the pool. It's day 5 of the 100-day study challenge, and as promised, today I'm going to be studying in the pool. Yeah guys, it's going to be something quite interesting, so get your books out and start studying. Yeah, I brought my tab. This is the most amazing thing about having a tab. It's very flexible and you can go anywhere that you want. So I'm going to first study a bit, then change, swim a bit, then continue studying. So it's going to be like, you know, I'm going to be using the Pomodoro technique, studying and swimming. So let's study a bit before we head out to swim.
You feel like rain in the morning, giving me mixed emotions, and it's too much sometimes. Mix the potion, mix it up. Girl, put it in motion. Are you finding or dying? There's no compromising. Make up your mind. We're running out of time. It's so hard to try, but it feels one-sided. Just make up your mind. Lay it all on the line. So deep in it that I can see.
So, actually, I think I should just change to my swimming trunk, right? Then after swimming for a little bit, then, you know, we start just like, I need a break, right? Back to studying.